All right, today I have my iRobot Roomba, and I'm going to clean the brushes. Okay, I have the hair caught in there. I'm going to get out the hair, and I'm just going to show you how I release the brushes in order to get this hair that has been tangled up. So what I'm going to do is they have these yellow clips. I'm just going to pull back on those, and when I pull back on those, I can raise this first gate up. Okay, and I can pull out the brushes. You have one right here, you have the brush, and then you have this rubber sweeper. And then once I'm in here, I can take my scissors, all right, you see my scissors? And I just cut along the edge just to get the hair that is caught up in there, and then I can just pull it off, okay? Pull it off just like that, all right? And for the sake of time, I'm not gonna pull it all out. I'm just going to pull out some just to demonstrate, and you see that, that's the hair that's tangled up. And then I'm just gonna simply place it back in there, and make sure that you put them back in properly, because there's like nodules right here, and they have to line up for it to work, okay? So I'm going to place this in here, this right here. See, one side is solid like that, the other one is not. Place them in accordingly. All right, I'm gonna take this out really quick. All right, place that in there. And then right here, same thing. I'm just gonna get some of the hair off of this. The scissors, clean that out. And then I'm just gonna place this down in here the same way. Do you see one end has this and the other end like that? I'm going to place them into the socket accordingly. The green into the socket first. And then place that down in there. And so they're both in there perfectly, right? And so like now I'm just going to take this and then close it back. And that's how you clean the brushes, and you're all set to get to vacuuming or Roomba-ing. All right, let me know if you have any questions.